This is the CC100X Coleman mini bike I just got. This thing's pretty good price for how well built it is. Makes a great toy. I just got pulled over today by the police, so I can't take it around my neighborhood anymore. It's got a 3 horsepower engine. I like to put a lot of oil in my grease on my chain so it lasts a long time. It's the best to do. This is the stuff you should use on chains. And it impacts the life of the sprockets too. I would start it up. It's dark right now. I'll do another video about that another day, probably tomorrow. Shut off switch. It's right there. If you're ever not going to use it for a long extended period of time, you should shut that off. Kills the gas off. And run the fuel lines dry, carburetor will run dry as well. And then there's a little float bowl under here. You're not familiar with it, but there's a little float bowl under here by the carburetor. So unscrew the bottom nut, and a little bit of gas will stay in there, but it'll come out as soon as you unscrew it. And then good for storage. So you do that. Should be, anyway. And then I leave gas in the tank. Keeps the tank from rusting. Yeah, it's the Coleman CC100X. Walmart. Like $400. It's a good price.